the storm had finally passed, but the forest didn't feel the same anymore. Suddenly, Lumi heard something hidden inside the wind. At first, Oliver thought it was only the storm, but then the cry came again. The sound was weak, almost swallowed by the snow, but someone was still out there. Lumi was the first to notice it, something hidden beneath the snow. The cry was getting closer, and now something was leading them toward it. Something was waiting for them, deep inside the frozen forest. The storm had destroyed almost everything, but somehow, the crying hadn't stopped. Every step inside the cabin felt colder than the storm outside, but something inside the cabin was still alive. And then, they finally found where the crying was coming from. Hidden inside the ruins was a tiny life still fighting the storm. He was tiny, cold, and completely alone. Even in the cold, Baby reached for the first warmth he could find. Oliver understood something important. Baby couldn't survive here alone. Baby was still scared, but now he finally had someone to hold on to. The storm outside was still dangerous, but staying here was even worse. In the middle of the ruins, they found the smallest feeling of safety. For the first time since the storm, Baby felt safe. Outside, the storm still raged, but inside the ruins, Baby wasn't alone anymore. Somewhere beyond the storm, someone else had found the cabin too.